Okay, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to teach you how to collect or gather the data regarding on the results of Topaz. Okay, so una, we need to have a link for Topaz management. Okay, so ito po yun. Ito po yung link. What we're going to do ay how to get Topaz result. Ito po yan, no? You need to have a Topaz link. Kailangan nyo po i-copy. Then copy. Then paste it to the search box. Yung link. Okay. And then dadalhin kayo dito sa ating sa itong itsura. Then next is enter the login ID. So kailangan nyo po enter login ID kung saan po kayong division. Kung kayo ay division ng NCR, yan, region, yan, depende po yan, no? So type the login ID. So I will copy. Ayan, and then paste it. And then get the password. Okay, password, and then paste it. Okay, so saan nyo po yan makuha yung mga ganyan po, yung link sa inyong math coordinator o school math coordinator. Yun yung po makuha yung mga link na yan, no? And then the account, no? And then enter login kapag na-type nyo na po. And then after that, dadalhin na po kayo dito. Okay? So, isa-isa nyo po siyang ita-type, no? Okay, now. And then next is enter level. Okay, level 2 is for grade 5. So, ako po ay nasa grade 5. I'm grade 5 teacher. Okay, so I will enter level number 2. Okay? So, examine number. Okay, dapat meron kayong sample na examine number. Okay, so let's try. Get the enter the exam ID, then search, then clicks exam result, and then sample account. Okay, so meron ako dito ang sample account ng estudyante, ng student, and then I will paste it to this part. Okay, dito. Yan, and then search po natin. Ito po dito sa baba, may search po dito. Search. Ayan. And then hahanapin nyo po si yung account niya, no? 695. Okay, so level 2. Okay, and then exam result. Okay, click the exam result. Ito po yung kanyang resulta. Okay, so yan po yung kanyang resulta ng kanyang exam. So yun lang po, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video para mas marami pa pong magkaroon ng idea regarding on the how to collect or harvest the Topaz result. Muli ako po si Teacher Junex. Thank you so much. God bless.